What is backup recovery strategies? Backup and recovery strategies involve making copies of data and having a plan to restore it if data is lost or damaged. This protects against events like accidental detection, hardware failure, or cyber attacks. A robust strategy typically includes creating multiple copies, storing them on different media, and having a recovery plan. Thank you.
So, an incremental backup strategy backups only the data that has changed since the last backup, whether that's a full backup or a previous incremental backup. So, for example, day 1 you have a full backup, then day 2 you have an incremental, day 3 you have an incremental. So, to restore the data, you need to last full backup and all subsequent incremental backups. Then the system will assemble the data from these backups to recover to the desired point in time. So that is one of some example of incremental backup.
My question: how does the strategy work? Incremental backup works by backing up only the data that has changed since the last backup, either full or incremental backup. Incremental backup saves only the data that has changed since the last backup, making it faster and using less storage.
When it most useful. Incremental backups are most useful when dealing with a large dataset with short frequency and when storage space and backup files are limited. So, incremental backups are most useful when dealing with large datasets that change frequently and when storage space and backup files are limited. The only way that changes is the less backup setting space and time comfort to hold backup. So, ICA incremental backup is gamit siya sa mga backup sa mga nagpo nga datasets para dahan sa storage or space nga magamit aron ang computer na o ang space. Thank you.
So, what are the advantages and disadvantages for this strategy? So, incremental backups offer advantages like faster backup execution and lower storage requirements, as they only store changes since the last backup. However, they also have disadvantages, such as potential longer store times, requiring all incrementals since the last fall backup to be applied. So, incremental backup are a way to save only the changes made to your data since the last backup. This makes backup faster and uses less storage space. However, restoring your data may take longer because you need to put back all the changes one by one. It's also important to keep all the previous backups safe, as losing even one will make it hard to get your data back completely. So, it's a balance between faster backups and easier restore.
What types of database or organization benefits from using this strategy? Incremental backup strategy are most beneficial for database and organization that wield the largest database assets. So this is incremental backup is beneficial for the database and organization that deals the largest database set, have resource constraints, and required frequency backups. So this database or organization benefit from using this strategy is most of the largest data sets or organization that have been using this strategy. So they have a deal with largest data set.
Let's talk about an efficient and commonly used backup strategy in businesses. Many companies perform a full backup every Sunday. This means copying all their data at once. Then from Monday to Thursday, they run incremental backups which only save the data that has changed since the last backup. This approach is both time saving and space efficient. Now, why is this helpful? Let's say the system crashes or data gets lost on a Friday. Instead of having to restore every single day's full backup, which would take a lot of time and storage, they simply restore the full backup from Sunday and then add the changes from Monday through Thursday using the incremental files. This means such faster recovery times and less strain on system resources, especially valuable for businesses that can afford long backup windows or having limited storage capacity. By backing up smartly, they reduce cost and improve efficiency while still being protected from the data loss. So in short, it's a balance of safety and performance, and it's perfect for businesses that need reliability without compromising speed.